Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions: read the following information and answer the questions given below. 5 friends Avinash, Vijay, Alok, Vivek and Rajiv went to a hotel and ordered 5 different soups: tomato, chicken, vegetable, corn and mutton, followed by lunch. After lunch, they ordered 5 different ice creams: mango, pista, vanilla, tutti frutti and cassata. The other informations are as given below. Avinash ordered for vegetable soup and mango ice cream. Vivek didn't order mutton soup but ordered vanilla ice cream. Vijay is a vegetarian who ordered tutti frutti ice cream. The person who ordered corn soup also ordered pista ice cream, while Rajiv ordered cassata ice cream. The solution is: let us first try to convert this caselet into a tabulated structure as shown below. So, we have first column of friends, that is Avinash, Vijay, Alok, Vivek and Rajiv. Soups, that is tomato soup denoted by TS, chicken soup denoted by CS, vegetable soup denoted by VS, corn soup denoted by COS and mutton soup, that is MS. Similarly, we have ice creams, that is M stands for mango, P stands for pista, V stands for vanilla, TF stands for tutti frutti and CA stands for cassata. Now, according to the information given to us, we can see that Avinash ordered for vegetable soup and mango ice cream. So we have Avinash ordered for soup, that is vegetable soup, or we can say it as VS also. And the ice cream is mango, that is M. So we have VS gone and M gone. Similarly, we have in the information Vivek didn't order mutton soup but ordered vanilla ice cream. So ice cream ordered by Vivek is vanilla, but he didn't order the mutton soup. Also we have Vijay is a vegetarian who ordered tutti frutti ice cream. So one thing is for sure, that Vijay is a vegetarian and he ordered tutti frutti ice cream. Now we have the person who ordered corn soup also ordered pista ice cream, while Rajiv ordered cassata ice cream. So Rajiv ordered cassata ice cream, that is CA. So the only remaining ice cream now is pista ice cream, and which is ordered by Alok. Also it was given in the information that the person who ordered corn soup also ordered pista ice cream. That means Alok ordered pista ice cream and he also ordered the corn soup, that is COS. Now Vivek didn't order mutton soup, so he may have ordered the tomato soup or the chicken soup, but it is given that Vijay is vegetarian, so Vijay cannot order the chicken soup or the mutton soup. So only soup which is remained is the tomato soup, which is going to be ordered by Vijay. Now, since Vivek is not going to order mutton soup, so he is going to order then chicken soup, and Rajiv necessarily is going to order the mutton soup in that case. As we can see, all the entries are now filled. Now we can answer the question given to us. The question is: who among the following ordered the tomato soup? As we can see in the given table that tomato soup, that was denoted by TS, it was ordered by Vijay. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions: read the following information and answer the questions given below. 5 friends Avinash, Vijay, Alok, Vivek and Rajiv went to a hotel and ordered 5 different soups: tomato, chicken, vegetable, corn and mutton, followed by lunch. After lunch, they ordered 5 different ice creams: mango, pista, vanilla, tutti frutti and cassata. Other information is as given below. The question is: which among the following soups was ordered by Vivek? The solution is: As we have seen in the first part of the question, that the complete information given to us is in a caselet format. So this can be converted into a tabulated structure as shown below. With the help of this table, we can answer our question as, the question is, which among the following soups was ordered by Vivek? As we can see in the table that Vivek ordered the chicken soup, denoted by CS. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions. Read the following information and answer the questions given below. 5 friends Avinash, Vijay, Alok, Vivek and Rajiv went to a hotel and ordered 5 different soups, tomato, chicken, vegetable, corn and mutton, followed by lunch. After lunch, they ordered 5 different ice creams, mango, pista, vanilla, tutti frutti and cassata. Other information is as given below. The question is, which of the following combinations is false? The solution is, as we have seen in the first part of the question, that the complete information given to us in the caselet form can be converted into a tabulated structure as shown below, with the help of the information given to us. With the help of this table, we can answer our question. The question is, which of the following combinations is false? From first option, we can see Alok mutton soup. As we can see in the table that Alok ordered the corn soup, not the mutton soup. So, this option is incorrect. And as it was asked in the question that which of the following combinations is false, so necessarily this is going to be the option which is false in this case. So, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions. Read the following information and answer the questions given below. The question is, which of the following ice creams was ordered by Alok? The solution is, as we have seen in the first part of the question, that the complete information given to us can be converted into a tabulated structure as shown below with the help of information given to us. The table is, with the help of this table, we can answer our question. Which of the following ice creams was ordered by Alok? As we can see from the table that Alok ordered the pea ice cream, that is pista ice cream. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sneha. Directions. Read the following information and answer the questions given below. The question is, which of the following combinations is true? The solution is, as we have seen in the first part of the question, that the complete information given to us can be converted into a tabulated structure with the help of the information given to us. So, on converting the information in a tabulated structure, we get, with the help of this table, we can answer our question. Which of the following combinations is true? Option number 1 is Avinash tomato soup tutti frutti ice cream. As we can see that Avinash ordered vegetable soup and not the tomato soup, and ice cream ordered is the mango, not the tutti frutti. So, this option is incorrect. Option number 2, Vijay corn soup mango ice cream. That means Vijay ordered tomato soup, not the corn soup, and ice cream ordered was tutti frutti, not the mango. So, this option is also incorrect. Option number 3, Alok mutton soup and pista ice cream. As we can see, Alok ordered the corn soup and not the mutton soup, though he ordered pista ice cream. So, this option is also incorrect. So, the remaining option, that is Vivek chicken soup and vanilla ice cream should be the correct one. Vivek ordered the chicken soup and vanilla ice cream denoted by V. So, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.